Today we're going to do a very simple repair. This is a PlayStation 3 controller. It's exactly a DualShock, so it should have the Rumble motors. And all of these controllers, as well as the next generation's PlayStation 4 and PlayStation 5 controllers, contain an integrated lithium-ion battery. The problem with these batteries is that whatever you give to them, they have a, let's say, expiration time. After a few years, that's about a decade more or less, they just stop working. So you can see right now that it doesn't power on at all. It has been all night connected to the charging cable, no charge. So the battery needs replacement. That's the problem with integrated batteries, that we have to open it. So I got this pack from AliExpress that contains the tools for opening it, a charging cable, and two batteries. I have two controllers of this kind and another two that are only 6-axis, not DualShock, so they don't contain the rumble motors, but I'm going to show you only how to do one. It's a very easy process indeed. So here we have a replacement battery. Obviously it's not going to be the same quality that the ones that Sony included, but you're not going to get those ones new. But as long as it works and give you more light, this will probably have 1 minute of battery if you get it to charge at all. For gameplay, this will give you much more time. So let's just replace it. I'm going to use the tools they included, just because why not, and see if the tools included in the kit are any kind of quality. So we have 5 screws, 1, 2, 4, 5. And it's just as simple as removing them. And it doesn't seem that this is okay. Not the best. Yes, not the best of screwdrivers. Yeah, the screwdriver is almost already gone. These are just normal Phillips of number 2 screws, so if you have your own screwdriver, just use it. I was just testing this, and yeah, this is crap. Let's pick one, a better one. So Phillips number 2, I think it is this one. I'm not wrong. So much better. Now the cell should be really easy to open. Really no need for this, but this is helpful. And with some care because of the bumpers here that they want to get stuck on the shell and come out. And you see here it is the our battery. So just unplug it. We can see there are some differences. This old battery, besides saying on its own, it has some tabs here to, I suppose, stay not moving. Then we can see also that this is slightly thicker, but I'm not sure. Let's see how much each of them weigh. So the original one weighs 16.5 grams, and the no brand one from AliExpress 14 grams. So this difference in weight indicates a difference in capacity. Even supposedly the official Sony one is 570 milliamp hours, and this one claims to be 1800 milliamp hours, and don't believe it. The only thing we really care about is that it fits. Has only one way of putting it in. It's like this. That's a little more tidy than I expected. No, okay, it's in. And then just, well, put it more or less in the same place. This one doesn't have any tab, but it's not going ready to move when you have the cover put in. So you take care with the bumpers. Just slightly move it so it's in place there. Okay, no. Just apply pressure, and now it comes with some chairs. It's not synchronizing anywhere, but very easy repair to do. So just now put all the screws. Just always remember to put them on a crisscross pattern, not on a circular motion or clock motion. So we put this one first. This screwdriver is not magnetized. And this one, no. It doesn't want to enter in the hole. Now it's in. Now this one in. Yeah, I need to magnetize this screwdriver. And finally, this one. And now this DualShock 3 is going to last enough to have some gameplay. I will also clean this a little here, but that's not. It's difficult to clean and doesn't need to be pink. So as I told you, this was a very easy and fast repair, just replacing the battery. Dispose of this in your local battery disposal facility from your government recycling place, because these are very toxic, and also we need the lithium for making more batteries. Lithium is scarce. That's all for today. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit click and subscribe, and you can follow me on Twitter and Twitch for my live events, and also if you want to collaborate on Patreon, it's not really needed but appreciated. See you in the next one. Bye.